Hello everyone. Good milk makes a good day anta antare. As you all know, milk is one of the most adulterated products as of now in the dairy industry along with paneer. So, is it very easy finding a reliable service provider who gives you all your dairy needs which are free from pesticides, chemicals, urea, etc.? Yes, F2H is one of those vendors. I love the milk that we purchase from F2H, and for past 1 year we have been purchasing from F2H, and this is my honest review. So basically they milk the cows and deliver you the milk within 4 hours of milking the cows. They deliver unpasteurized milk, which means the milk is not heated before it is delivered, and you have to heat it for the first time. So you can trust this is natural milk and free from any pesticides. And the main thing that I love about F2H is their on time delivery and on dot communication. If there is any delay in delivery or any change of plans, they'll inform you before, and they'll give you a spare time till 12 a.m. 11:59 p.m. the before day, so that you can change your decisions. And even if there is any delay in delivering you the milk, they'll inform us in advance. And this has not happened like even two times in the last 1 year, and this level of communication actually builds trust and will not keep us waiting. They offer wide variety of products. One of them is obviously in my hand, cow milk, very fresh, very natural. You can taste it once you boil it for the first time, and for a coffee, tea or anything you can taste it. It's very fresh, very natural. And they also offer buffalo milk. They offer paneer, curd, ghee, and homemade sweets, microgreens, which is a new trend now, microgreens. And they also offer cold pressed cooking oils. And if you're not sure about the quality and you want to do a trial of the milk, they also offer 1 day trial. So I'll just show a close up of this bottle for the WhatsApp number. You can note down the details and whatever products they are giving here. You can WhatsApp them. Yes, you can WhatsApp this number for all the range of products that I have mentioned before. With this 1 day trial, you can actually test the quality before committing with them, and not many vendors in this industry provide this, so you can actually trust them because they provide a trial before committing with them for a month. And after this consistent quality and reliable service, F2H has almost become part of our everyday lives, everyday dairy lives. F2H is the freshness that you can trust. The WhatsApp number is 9148773591. I'm also going to show you the ghee that we have prepared using the cow milk malai. So this is the ghee that we have extracted from our malai using the cow milk and buffalo milk. And I'm also going to add a clip showing the malai that has been extracted from the buffalo milk yesterday, so that you can actually trust what level of natural milk that they are providing. Thank you so much.